And now step 4. We're going to progress monitor frequently. As you'll see in the complete guidelines, for students monitored on grade level, remember these are students that are typically less than 2 years below grade level, they'll be monitored with a curriculum-based measure or a computer adaptive test about 1 to 2 times per month when they're receiving supplemental instruction, and maybe as frequently as once a week when they're receiving intensive instruction. These are the data that's graphed. This is for students that are not as far below grade level. You're going to graph that grade level CBM or computer adaptive test. In addition to the graph data, their progress is also monitored using those other measures of the skills of the intervention, like the mastery measures and the intervention embedded assessments. And also, again, informally through classroom instruction. For students that are monitored off grade level, remember those are typically students that are 2 or more years below grade level. They'll be measured most frequently using that curriculum-based measure that's on their instructional level. Think about Chris's 2nd grade oral reading fluency is where we start measuring him, which is about 1 to 2 times a month again for supplemental and about once a week for intensive. For these students, we'll also want about once a month to measure them using a curriculum-based measure or computer adaptive test on their grade level to make sure they're generalizing. So for Chris, think even though we're measuring him most frequently and graphing the data from that 2nd grade oral reading fluency assessment, we're also probably going to give him a 4th grade oral reading fluency measure about 1 time a month. And of course, again, for students that are far off grade level, we'll still be looking at the progress of the intervention skills through other measures and their overall progress through the less formal classroom measures as well.